and welcome to my channel. Here is how to fix a BVN mismatch error on Moniepoint. First thing to do is to check your BVN number. You dial *565*0#. I mean *565*0# on the phone number linked to your bank account to confirm you are entering the correct 11-digit BVN. So the next thing is to verify your official details. Ensure the full name and date of birth registered on your BVN exactly match with your NIN and your official ID. If there is a spelling mistake or missing middle name, visit your enrollment bank to correct your BVN details first. So once you are done with that, then you can log into your Moniepoint account on the app or on the website. So you go to Profile or Security, select Personal Information and click Update next to your name or date of birth to align with your BVN. So once your details match, use the refresh or update option to rerun the verification check. Lastly, if the mismatch error persists after 24 hours, send an email to Moniepoint customer support or use the in-app support chat to request a manual account verification. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day. Bye.